Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Lyft app in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of requesting a ride using Lyft step by step. First, you need to download and install the Lyft app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you do not already have one. You can sign up using your email address, Facebook account, or Google account. After creating your account, you will be asked to add a payment method. You can add a credit or debit card, or use other payment options such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. To request a ride, open the app and set your pickup location by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. You can also choose your destination by typing in the address or selecting it from the map. Next, choose the type of ride you want to request. Lyft offers different types of rides, including Lyft, Lyft Premier, and Lyft Black. The type of ride you choose will depend on the number of passengers and the level of luxury you prefer. After selecting your ride type, you will see an estimated cost for your trip. You can also see the estimated time of arrival and the type of vehicle that will be picking you up. Once you have confirmed your request, the app will show you the location of your driver and the estimated time of arrival. You can also track the location of your driver in real time and receive updates on the status of your ride. When your driver arrives, you will receive a notification from the app. Make sure to check the make and model of the vehicle, as well as the license plate number, to ensure that you are getting into the correct vehicle. During the ride, you can use the app to track your route and see the estimated time of arrival. You can also rate your driver and provide feedback after the ride is complete. Finally, after the ride is complete, you will receive a receipt from the app with the total cost of the trip. You can also see a summary of your trip, including the route taken and the time of the trip. By following these steps, you can easily use the Lyft app to request a ride and get where you need to go. Remember to always check the details of your ride, including the type of vehicle and the license plate number, to ensure that you are getting into the correct vehicle.